Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's the Allure Beauty box for the month of August. This month comes in the regular red box, which is really pretty. I think I started to like better this box, at least in the last month. We got some nice products in the box, and also we got at least one product that was a really great one, I think. At least I was excited about. So let's see what we have for this month. As usual, it comes with the booklet, and we have all the information about products. And here is the box inside. First thing that I see here, it's a coupon code. It's a coupon, yeah, we have a code here. It's a $30 off from on Breda website if you wanna buy this watch. And as far I can see here, you're supposed to buy for a minimum of $70 in order to use the coupon. So if you are interested in this coupon, let me know and I'll leave it down below. Then we have something in here that wasn't closed very well, and it seems like I have shampoo everywhere. This is the Nexus Kerapix shampoo, silicone free protein infusion, and we have the shampoo and the conditioner here. And about those, and looking at the full size, if you look at this, looking at the full size, I realized that I got this in the full size in the Allure Beauty Swag box. And for the shampoo, they say this shampoo was designed to help rehab damaged hair with tried and true keratin protein, which strengthens and ends, and so they are less likely to snap. It's gentle, it doesn't soak up too much, and it makes my hair feeling noticeably softer. Says somebody who tried it. It has a floral scent. Also, this one in a full size is $12.99 for 13.5 ounces. You can buy it on nexus.com, and there is a coupon here that you can use. As I said before, if you are interested in those coupons, let me know and I'll leave them down below for you. And for the conditioner might be the real star in this duo. I've been bleaching my hair for at least 10 years. So I try to minimize the damage by using a deep conditioner every time I shower. Say somebody who try it, but this daily conditioner softens my hair as well, if not better than richer treatments. So this one is $17.99 for 13.5 ounces. You can buy it at nexus.com with a coupon code also. So here is the shampoo and conditioner. Also we have an I believe this is an eyeliner. It's so well known, at least for me, because it comes so often in the boxes. This is Ico London liquid eyeliner in black. Because I have several of these, I'm not gonna show you this one. I am not, at least for me, I am not very excited about this one. I prefer a couple dollars eyeliner, gel eyeliner to this one. This one, to me, although it's a gel, yeah, it's a liquid eyeliner in black, to me it looks more like a kohl pencil than a gel. So anyway, it's a full size. And about that one, and I was applying this one when I did my makeup 1 hour earlier, and on top of this one I added my eyeliner that I usually wear. I wanted to try this one, but so far I added on top of this one, I added another one, a couple dollar eyeliner, which is more alive, if I can say that, than this one. About that one, what I like from them is the eye makeup remover wipes, which are really nice and great. About this one, this felt tip liquid liner goes on super black and just a little glossy. I cannot say that is true, but that is just my opinion. If you like it, I'm sorry, but I'm not excited about. So this one in a full size is $22, and you can buy it at Ulta. Personally, I wouldn't buy this one. If you like it, maybe you might like it, but I don't. So the next item in here, it's Larizzi, if I'm saying that right, Larizzi, something like that, cosmetics. And this is light sticks illuminator stick. This one is a $24 product, and you can buy it with a coupon code, of course, from their website. There are about a billion highlighters to choose from, and at least 3 more have launched since you opened this box. That might be true. You can find prismatic blue shades and ones with glitter, but sometimes you just want a classic champagne highlighter. So let's see how this one looks. Seems to be a full size. Here is the packaging of this one. And you get a ton of product in here. This will last forever. And because I still have some highlighter from another unboxing, I'm gonna try to swatch this on my other hand. It is creamy. Here is the shade of this one. It's quite pretty, but comparing with the other one that I have, I still have it on my hand. I think I prefer the powder that I got in the Ipsy box than this one. Although this one is nice too. I'm not a fan of creamy highlighters, so we'll see. Because sometimes when you try to apply them, they just move your foundation, and that's not nice. But anyway, we'll try this one, and I'll let you know how this one works. Then we have an item here. It's from Caudalie, and this one is Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. It's a pretty nice item, a great one. About this one, let's see how much is the full size. If I'll find this one, you can get this one on their website. There is a coupon also, and the price for the full size is $39. So I wanted to do a split face test with this lightweight moisturizer so I could see how well it worked next to another formula. It didn't happen. So as far I know from reviews, although I have this one, I didn't try it. As far I heard from reviews, this one is a pretty nice moisturizer. So I'll try this one and I'll let you know. Let me see if this one comes with a seal. No, it doesn't come with a seal, which I don't like. I prefer to get items with the seal on them, because sometimes if I have a product, I'll leave it for giveaways or for sample bags. But it happens. It doesn't come all the time with the seal, which is not nice, I would say, but it is what it is. And the last item in here, it's a Laneige product. This one is a lip sleeping mask. The box looks like this. This one in a full size, it's $20, and you can get this one at Sephora. It's a tiny box. There is not a ton of product, as you can see. It's more empty than full, but smells pretty nice. It has kind of a peach tone and very light scent. We'll see about this one. What I don't like is the fact that you have to dip your finger, which I don't usually do. I have a small lip brush that I'm using at night with those balms, because I really don't like to dip my finger every night in this product or something similar. So that's kind of all for Allure. Not the best box from them, but so far two brands that are favorite brands of mine, the Laneige and the Caudalie. I will try to see if I have one of these with a seal. I will put that in the giveaway, and I will use this one. I would love them to come with the seal, but as I said, it doesn't happen all the time. So far in the Allure box we have a lip mask, we have this moisturizer, shampoo and conditioner, this highlighter, and the eyeliner. So not my favorite box from them, but still okay. I would say I will try all the products, and I will let you know. As I said before, if you want me to put some of them in the samples of the video, samples of the week video, and try them and let you know how they work, it will be my pleasure to do that. So that's kind of all for Allure beauty box. I will see you very soon with another unboxing. I don't know exactly what's gonna be, but for sure another monthly subscription. So in the meantime, you have an amazing day. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.